Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 5, and its title is Hashir's Anasty. So yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So what's our today's lecture? Yes, our today's lecture number 4, under the title of Language Focus. We will learn about 2-3 syllable words and consonant clusters. What are 2-3 syllables and what are consonant clusters? Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, on page number 23, and there is page number 23, we have learned about consonant clusters. Already we know. And on page number 36, we have learned about syllables, that how we can get about syllables of different words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch these video lectures again, and today we are going to learn further about it. Write simple 2-3 syllable words with correct spellings. Leave space between words. Identify and pronounce with reasonable accuracy common consonant clusters in initial positions. So today we are going to cover up these as follows. So my dear students and my dear teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Ahzab, verse number 72, 73, O you who believe, be conscious of Allah and speak a word that is good. So yes, my dear students, this is a command and this is an advice from Almighty Allah. Allah Almighty is advising us and commanding us that what we have to do. Yes, if we have firm belief on Almighty Allah, so what we have to do? We have to be true and we have to do good things in our life, because these good things will help us in our life hereafter, even in this world and life after death. Okay, so this beautiful verse is guiding us about goodness. Okay, so how we have to do good things and good deeds, because they will lead us to Jannah. Okay, my dear students, so let's have commitment today that what we will do, we will always do good deeds. Okay, next, what is a syllable? Let's see. In a word or in a part of a word, a vowel sound is called one syllable. 2 vowels may give one sound. So my dear students, what is a syllable? Syllable is a word when we get a vowel sound in a word. Okay, my dear students, it doesn't mean that how many vowels are there. First, our focus will be that how many vowel sounds we are getting from this word. Okay, it may be 2 vowels together give one sound, and it may be that 1 vowels give us one sound. So see in examples like rain. Rain. How many sounds you are getting? Definitely we are getting one sound. How? Even we have 2 vowels, my dear students, A, I, but sound is single sound. Okay, so keep remember, no need to judge that according to the vowels. You have to judge the syllable of the word according to their sounds. Okay, like book, single syllable, even there are 2 vowels, double O. Have you got that? Yes, B, 2 vowels are there but single sound. Is it clear that no need to depend on vowels? We have to get syllables according to the sound. This is the main point, to get syllables. So keep remember. Okay. So next, see there, like chair. Chair. AI. Getting that? Next, single sound, 1 syllable. Next one, rose. See there, definitely. How many syllables? 1 syllable. Rose. Flower. Okay, flower. Flower. How we will syllabify? Yes, flower. Flower. This is the way. How we have got that? These 2 vowels, OW, we got into 1 syllables. This is flower. Is it clear? Good. Next, see there, basic. So what are you getting? Read this word and try to judge how many syllables will be. Basic. Okay, let's see. Yes, basic. See there. Good, we have got 2 syllables. Basic, basic. So this is giving us sound, a separate sound. Basic, basic. So you can move your tongue while reading a word, so then automatically you will get its syllable according to their vowel sounds. Okay, have you got that? Next, basic. Tiger. What is this word? Tiger. What do you think? How many syllables will be? Okay, let's see. Yes, 2 syllables. Tiger, tiger. Have you got? Next, glass. Water. Let's see. Single, yes, and water, 2 syllables. Water, water. Is it clear, my dear students, how we can syllabify a word? Through different examples, okay? While pronunciation you will get that, how we can syllabify a word according to the vowel sounds. See there, so open book, we are going to get about consonant clusters, and also there is a question number 3 is there. So you have to write, pronounce the name of each picture and write its name in the given box. So you have to pronounce the picture is given there, you have to pronounce the naming word, and after that, that naming word you have to write in the space given, okay, on your book page. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. I hope, because it was so easy, that because pictures were there and just we had to write its name. Good job, my dear students. So let's see now, our second SLO will be there, that what are consonant clusters? The consonant cluster is a combination or groups of consonants which come together in a word and have no vowel between them. Okay, so what are consonants? My dear students, as we know that we have 26 alphabets. How many letters? 26 alphabets we have in our English alphabets. There are 26 letters. So out of these 26, 5 are vowels and 21 are called consonants. So now we are talking about consonant clusters. Okay, these are single consonants. We will combine, when we will combine 2 consonants or 3 consonants maybe, my dear students. So then these letters are, this group is called consonant cluster. Okay, there will be no vowel. Keep remember that there will be no vowel. These are the group of consonants. So let's see, we are going to get through examples. Yes, you can read this word, grapes. Grapes. Okay, so how you have you judged that GR, both are consonant, there is no vowel, my dear students. So have you judged? Good. Next example, read out FR, frog, frog. Yes, here also you can judge that first 2 letters initial position. Okay, this is the start, initial position. Initial mean starting position. We have found FR, and this FR is called consonant cluster. Have you got that? Good. Next example, yes, read this, flower, FL. So F is a consonant, L is a consonant. So my dear students, so both are consonants, so it means FL is a consonant cluster, flower. Next there, SL, slide. So SL is being blended. Okay, when these consonant clusters blend together, then it gives us a sound. Okay, read there, truck, TR, no vowel between. The last one is crown, yes, CR. Have you got that, my dear students? In this way, these such type of clusters are called consonant clusters, and they give us a single sound. Okay, see there, open your book and do question number A and B on page number 41, my dear students. You have to do this activity on your book. Pause the video and I am waiting for you to perform this activity. What you have to do? You have to write 3 words begin with CR, and in next you have to write 3 words begin with FL. Okay, so that you have to do in your class. Pause the video and perform this activity on your book and then come back. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope now you have got and you have searched out 3 words with CR and FL. Good job. So what's your homework for today? You have to locate and underline the following 2-3 syllable words in unit and make sentences in your notebook, like unzipped, footpath, honesty, delighted, and policeman. So these words I have searched for you from your book. You will also search out these words from your book and then you will make sentences of these words. This will be your today's homework. So yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we should be able to get that how much knowledge they got about syllables. So what we have learned today, we learned how to spell 2-3 syllable words. We read aloud 2-3 syllable words and consonant clusters with accuracy in pronunciation. And in this way, we have covered up this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed and you have got about how we can get different syllables. So tomorrow with a new lecture, we will meet soon. Till that time, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.